Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the representation of formula of any atom. Any formula of atom is represented by this symbol ZXA. In this representation, Z equal to atomic number. It is the atomic number. X equal to formula of atom. Formula of atom. And A equal to mass number. Mass number. Like 6C12 or 6C12, where 6 is the atomic number of carbon, the symbol of carbon is C, and 12 is the mass number of carbon. Now I am going to discussing about what is atomic number and what is mass number. The number of protons which are present in any atom is called atomic number. As you know very well, in nucleus the protons and neutrons are present. So the sum of the protons and neutrons are called nucleons. This quantity is called nucleons. But atomic number is only the number of protons which are present in the nucleus. That is called atomic number. Atomic number is the characteristic property of every element. Every element have its own atomic number. None other element have similar atomic number. Okay. Now mass number. Mass number equal to, it is represented by A equal to P plus N. It means mass number of any element, any atom will be equal to the number of nucleons, and number of nucleons equal to the total number of protons and neutrons which are present in the nucleus. That is called atomic number. This is called mass number. Its formula is A equal to P plus N. By using this formula, we can calculate the total number of electrons, protons and neutrons which are present in any atom. Let's see the example. Suppose there is one question that how many number of electrons, protons and neutrons are present in 8O16. So by convention we know that the number of protons are called atomic number. So here Z equal to 8 and hence P equal to 8. In oxygen atom there are 8 protons because its atomic number is 8. As we know, this atom is neutral atom. So in any neutral atom, the total number of protons will be equal to the total number of electrons, and hence oxygen have 8 electrons. Number of electrons equal to 8. The number of protons and number of electrons in any neutral atom are same. Okay. Now, how can we identify, how can we calculate the number of protons, number of neutrons in this example? By using this formula, we can calculate the number of neutrons. Here A equal to mass number 16 equal to P8 plus N equal to 16 minus 8. So the answer is, in oxygen atom the electrons are 8, protons are also 8 and neutrons will also 8. Okay, now I am going to explain an ionic example. Any charged species like S minus minus, sulfide ion. The question is, how many electrons, protons and neutrons are present in sulfide ion? In sulfide ions, we know very well, 16 is the atomic number of sulfur and 32 is the mass number of sulfur, and it acquires 2 negative charge. So, number of protons will be 16 because the number of protons will be equal to the atomic number. So its atomic number is 16, that's why sulfur has 16 protons. Now, how many electrons are present in this example? In sulfide ion, if sulfur is neutral atom, then it should have 16 electrons, but here sulfur have 2 negative charge. It means it is present in the sulfide ion. It means 2 extra electrons are present in sulfur molecule. Number of electrons in S minus minus equal to 16 plus 2. 2 negative. 2 negative means 2 electrons are extra present, because we know very well anions are formed by gaining of electrons. Okay, so sulfur gains 2 electrons, that's why it contains 18 electrons, and by this formula we can calculate the number of neutrons. 32, 16 plus n equal to 16. Hence, sulfide ion have 16 protons, 18 electrons and 16 neutrons in one atom. That's all for today's topic. Thank you.